What I've seen from other clients of Centered in the sessions that I've been in, and watching both the virtual clients and the in-person clients, I am absolutely amazed at the success. That was one of the things in the very first week I noticed. The enthusiasm and excitement of other clients, I fed off of that. And I got excited. And you get in discussions and you see these people, many of who have been around for quite some time. And you hear story after story after story of how people were and how they are now. And, when you see that, it gives you hope that you can maybe change some things about your own self. And there is no question that it's very obvious that you must have a high success rate here at Centered, because that's all I've seen is success. And I think a part of it is because the people feel comfortable, they like the programs, and they like the way the programs are, or the ideas are presented, the discussion. Yes, I would say I have often wondered what the success rate is, but I have to believe it's extremely high here at Centered.